sweet potato cornbread with honey butter glaze. Stay tuned for how to make this. So you want to start off by boiling 2 or 3 sweet potatoes. You definitely want them to be a pretty large size. So once they're done boiling and they're soft, you will take them out and begin to peel them. You will take 1 cup of sweet potato puree. So you'll take the sweet potatoes and then you'll pour your buttermilk as well as your sour cream.
Can you go get the paper from over there, please? This on top of the toilet box here at the top. I thought you already did for the
Then you want to add your eggs to the mixture.
Well, I'm doing this real quick.
I actually do this right here. Here, put the dates on them. I got it. Which one? You made the whole box, so you're going to need a big one. Pop in right here.
These eggs could be big. They sure be looking small.
So mix all the wet ingredients together really good, but don't overmix.
Why didn't you put the dates on them so they can go in the refrigerator?
Add your orange gel food coloring. You will take your cup of flour and the yellow cornmeal, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda. Add your cinnamon and your nutmeg.
Mama knows she like cooking.
What you about to do this?